Hey you guys, it's Ruby. Today we're at South Point. If you saw our video yesterday, we started with 15 bucks in free play, ended up with 251 bucks. We're gonna use this carry on today. Let's see what we can do. We're gonna play Monkey Spin. This is weird. We're gonna play this to start. And in goes our money. Look at this game. Whoa. Monkey Spin. Okay. $251.41 is what we ended up with yesterday's total. So today we're carrying on with that. What do we need here? Who made this? This is an interesting machine.
Like this looks like, yeah, this is like.
Oh wow. Huge cabinet. Don't know what we need. Huh. Oh. Okay.
For 2-3, no limit, Texas Hold'em. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm seeing some interesting symbols. What do they mean? What does any of this mean?
You just need 6?
Guys, I did see a little bit of confusion. I want to clear it up. There are 2 slot channels that we currently have. This channel is Ruby Slots, where we post fresh content every day. And our other channel is Ruby Slots TV, which is a highlights channel. Because we've been doing this channel for 3 years, and we've had some really amazing wins and things, and a lot of you guys are new. So we post videos that were like big wins that you can go see again. So on that channel, I was talking about Double Slot Play December and how we were doing a giveaway, but those are old videos. Currently, we're not doing any giveaways. However, when we get up to 200,000 subscribers on this channel, we're definitely going to do a giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Get to 200K and we'll do a giveaway. But currently, there are none happening. Just as a heads up. What the heck? Sounded like it was our machine.
We're kind of just nuts.
We really, really are. This isn't doing anything. Come on, monkeys. What is your deal? Like, it's so many symbols, but nothing's doing anything. I'm very confused. Like, do we need that monkey spin symbol on the first roll and then...
And we've only landed it once.
Yeah, okay. I see.
So 6 doesn't do anything.
So we need to land that symbol on the first reel to get anything. Huh. Trying to understand monkey spin. I don't quite get it. Okay, monkey spin, we need you to start doing something. I need the monkey spin symbol to land. 5 cents, we can still do $1.50. Okay, at least we got a line hit there.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
Yes. Okay, good stuff.
For 2-3,
yeah.
Texas Hold'em.
I don't like games like that where you need that symbol and then... It'd be different if, like, maybe they, like, you landed a bunch of stuff and then they, like, made a monkey sound and threw it down or something. But as of right now, I'm...
You're just nuts.
Yeah. Not loving this one. Good thing, please. It needs to do that way more. Do we get those? It has to connect.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think I like this. I don't think I like it. It should just give it to you no matter what.
The problem with this game is if you don't land the monkey spin on the, you know you're not getting anything.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Then you land it and there's nothing. Yeah, I'm fully ready to bail. I'm ready to bail on this one. Yeah, this is not a good one, you guys. We're gonna cash out. Let's find something else. Let's do the train game and try to get the legend bonus of $1,200. That's a lot. Could definitely hit it. Let's see. Boom. Monkey. Be monkey. Yay.
It's all the way.
Good monkey. Let's get the bonus. Let's make our goal to just be like, get 3 trains in the bonus today. Because, do it. I feel like we've been getting a lot of single trains. We need to get a triple train here. Be a gourd. Yeah! Woo!
That's pretty good. 30-something.
Heck yeah! We just got all our money back that we lost on those terrible monkeys. Hell yeah! Bonus. Right. Bonus. Okay.
No.
Bonus reset. That was okay. Vibe reset. We just had a vibe reset.
We definitely just had a vibe reset. Sorry you had to witness that first game.
We had to try it. We can try it again on like a $20
You gotta
Tuesday.
try new games. Cool.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah. Let's get these trains. Come on. Are the ones closest to the gold one the good ones? Like we want the green and the red and the gold? Or does it not really matter?
The red is the grand train.
Okay.
Green is the major train.
Oh, we definitely want...
Yeah, it's the corresponding.
Oh, duh. Doy. I see. I see.
No, I mean, I could see how you would put that together.
I did not put that together. But it makes sense.
So red and green is
The
prime
ideal.
time points,
Yeah, the ideal. Game developers really like Christmas.
So many colors, I guess.
Guys, I'm ready for winter to be over.
I'm
I
pretty
say
sure,
that
like, yeah.
when
As
it's
they're getting blasted.
60 degrees here. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of wearing pants. I want my flip-flops back. I want to wake up and not have to I have to put on all these layers and a sweater and Ugh. I want to drink my coffee on the patio. It's too chilly. Come on, train game. You were doing so good. Give us the bonus. There's no shaky on this either. It just does it. I need to form a coalition of give every game a shaky shake. It's just way more exciting. Yes, there we go. That's better. Bonus. Yes.
Oh, do it with that.
That was a good number.
Yeah, you definitely want bigger numbers to start.
We'll get it. We can do it. Florida. I don't know. It's just it dead spun on us. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Oh. Oh. This game usually bonuses. Come on. They're not always amazing, but there's usually a bonus. Oh, a really good number there too. Do it. You can do it. Can we do it, y'all? Oh my God, so many numbers. Come on now.
What's happening?
I don't know. I don't know. Be that blue thing. Yep. The tiger or whatever. How come that one line hit was $60?
Because it was like all the way.
Oh, I see.
It was like a full screen.
There we go. Fast spin it. Okay.
I had to switch up the timing. We were just getting red or green.
Red,
or green.
red and green, please.
All right, now red or green.
Please, 3 trains.
Red or green.
3 trains.
Red or green.
No. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked, everybody. Okay. We can only hope to get the legend bonus somehow.
Yay.
Right here. Let's get it. Give us the legend bonus. Come on, baby. Yes. Keep it going. Beautiful. Fill the whole thing up. Even if we don't fill it up, we could get it come back. We've got this. Legend bonus. So wait, we get all that, and now it'll come back, and we'll get it again.
So now the gold trains are worth more.
Yeah, so now
If we get the gold colored trains.
Okay, come on. It's gonna bring the thing back. Bring it back, yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, it's not. I thought it was.
Bring the red guy back. Bring the red guy back.
Red guy.
Bring him back. This is a nice long train. Where's the red thing? Red thing. Red thing. Okay. Okay.
It's the long boy.
I know. Where's my red guy? Bring the red thing. I'm waiting for the red.
I've never hit a progressive on it. Not even the mini.
Really?
No. I would like to get the mini. Or the red doors again?
Yes!
Yeah.
Come on, legend. 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 We're gonna get it. Anywhere. Pop them in. Erg. Yes.
Chill it up.
Patience is a virtue. Yes.
Oh, that's a good one.
Come on, darling. Right in there, little darling. Okay, we get all that again. We get it all again, and it could come back again. This is like the longest purple train I've ever seen.
Yeah.
It's the longest purple train in the world.
Let's do it right away.
Keep going. Don't ever end for us. Just keep, yep, bring back the red guy again.
Drop the mini in there. Red doors. Dormy, bro.
Yep,
Okay,
thank you. I know, I'm not singing it because it'll end if I sing it. I want to sing this song.
Doors. Red doors.
Bring the red doors back, please.
I think it's broken.
Good. I'll sit here all day. I have nowhere to be. Where's the red door? Come on. Yes! We're gonna get it. Come on. We're gonna get it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. One at a time's fine. Anywhere. All right, we get all those again. We get them all again. It's gonna come back. It's fine. Here it comes. It's gonna come back.
Just right away.
Right away. Red thing again, please. Where's the red guy? Where's the red guy?
Come back with the mini.
Come back with a mini. The never-ending bonus. That was the best purple train I've ever seen.
I've never seen it.
No, that was amazing.
I do have an announcement. Welcome to the mill.
Welcome to Prophetsville. Oh, let's go. for today's video. Yeah, buddy. Okay.
Announcement.
This one can sometimes do a backup.
You want to stay on this tonight or go to one?
I think we should stick where we're at and do a couple backups just to feel the vibe. Because it was real quiet.
I thought we were cooked with that single.
I thought we were also cooked. Yeah, that ended up being fantastic. What an unexpected surprise we just had.
Salad?
That was a surprise salad.
Surprise salad. Oh.
Bonus again.
No, purple monkey.
Wow, I'm really happy with this game. That was great. Take it, move on. Let's take it, move on, yeah? Cash it out. We enjoy this game so much. Cleopatra Triple Fortune, right now it's only at Durango, here, and Peppermill and Reno that I can think of off the top of my head
Yeah.
that has this game. We love this game. Let's get a triple.
Oh.
Let's
16 bucks.
let's crush it. We can do it. The train was very good to us.
Yeah.
We're back where we started. We're back in business. Again, all of this is profit from yesterday. Yeah, if you guys want, make sure you watch yesterday's video for context. That was a great video too. I love riding on profit. It's amazing. Let's get a triple. If not a triple, we want the red and the blue.
Yeah. I mean, you really want them all. They work really well together.
Mm-hmm.
Just the blue alone can do really well
Mm-hmm.
if you pick the big number.
Come on, Cleo. Be the best.
Be the best, Cleo.
Be our girl, Cleo. I'd love to win the major. 839. That sounds lovely. $800 more of just pure, unadulterated profit. We're really close to the Starbucks right now. After this, I think it's gonna be coffee time.
Yeah.
It's gonna be coffee time.
Oh, please.
Double?
Nah. So if we had one here, we would have got.
Oh yeah, 3 gives it to you, right? Are you guaranteed to get whatever colors
I don't
lands?
think so. Games have been doing that lately.
That should not be a thing. I want to like write a little like suggestion card to the manufacturers to just be like, if it lands all 3 colors, you must give me all 3 colors. That's only polite. Things like that, you know. All games should have a shaky shake because it's exciting and I like it.
What's more programming? Hardcore.
I don't care. They've got the time and resources. The big guys do anyway. I kind of think all slot machine companies are the big guys. There's not really like mom and pop slot machine companies.
IT.
Yeah, they're out of Chicago.
Yeah.
They have a couple games we really like. Come on, Cleo. 2 cent. 2 cent. Jackpot bonus. Guys, we're going back to Peppermill soon. Excited. They're gonna have a new game.
Yeah.
We're on the hunt for new games.
Gotta start rolling them out here.
Do it.
Afghanistan.
In the meanwhile, if we aren't playing new games, what do you guys like? Do you like $100 challenge? The $200 bonus or bust? Do you like when we low roll for a while on games? Do you like versus? What do you guys like? What should we do? Or do you just like this where we kind of just bop around and there's really no agenda? Just so long as we keep it funky fresh. Do it. The trains were being really slow to us too, and we ended up being rewarded. So hopefully this will be the same situation. Yes, double. We need to land 3 so that we know we got it. Bonus. This does have a pretty incredible shaky shake on it. That I'm hoping to see where all the gems and jewels fall down, and then it's like, woo. One more. Biscuits. Oh, I thought we got it. Yay! All right.
Oh no, it's the blue one.
It's the blue one.
It's
Scared.
time for free.
Where are you going? Where are you going? I think that was good. Oh, okay. No, it wasn't, was it? Oh.
This one was the best one. 32. Alright, we need to pop
So the goal is to have none of the wilds really drop in the beginning. You want to save them all for the end. So if we're going, no, it's because we want to keep the wilds until the end. Because someone got really confused when we did that one time. So we don't, yeah, we don't want wilds to be spilling all over the place in the beginning. Like right now, there's nothing there.
You can trigger the other ones.
Yeah.
And it'll give us more games.
Yeah.
We're gonna need that.
Yeah.
Red or green, baby?
Please don't do anything. Yes. Pop that.
Pop the green.
Oh, it was shaking.
Nothing.
And it wasted those. Yeah. This is all bad. This is all bad, chat. It's wasting them. It's throwing them places they don't even help. Oh no, my friends.
Pop it.
Dude. Oh, everybody, jackpot bonus. We're cooked.
Absolutely.
We're cooked, everybody. All right, last spin. 5 wilds. Go on the end. Give us a 5 of a kind. Oh, 33. Not the result we hoped for. Well,
My bad for picking the wrong one.
no, that's
If I
okay.
would have picked this one, it could have
It is a true pick.
crazy.
Do you want to do a couple backups? We still have, you got to remember, this is all still pure profit. We're getting to play all this time for fun. We haven't, none of this is even our money right now, which is amazing. It's all money we won. I love when that happens. If you can play on casino money the whole time you're here and have a good time, what more could you ask for? Do it! Oh!
Loads up and then doesn't. Loader.
biscuit.
Does that looks like a pop.
I know.
It's even glowing.
Terrible. How dare you? Pop. Come on.
Come on, buddy. Do it.
Oh, it like wants
I
to
wish
give
I
us
would've
that
picked
one.
That 34 one. That's gonna hunt.
Aw. True picks are so
34
stressful.
wilds, huh?
I know. I like when it's random better. Don't put it on me to do a good job. Stressful. I was gonna pick the other one, and I thought it was even worse than yours. So,
No, I picked the worst one.
oh, biscuits. All right. Hey, you know what? Today was still fun. We had that really fun train bonus over on the train game, and we're still $150 in profit for the day. So I'm really happy with that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We bopped around, had some fun. We're gonna catch you guys all on our next.